Go to the GitHub website, https://github.com/, and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up for one. Once you are logged in, click on the New button, which is located in the upper right corner of the GitHub homepage. Alternatively, you can go to https://github.com/new to directly access the new repository creation page. On the Create a New Repository page, enter a name for your repository. Choose a unique and descriptive name that reflects the purpose of your project. Choose the visibility of your repository. You can make it public, which means anyone can view and clone your repository, or private, which means only users you grant access to can view and clone your repository. Optionally, you can add a description for your repository to provide more information about your project. Choose whether to initialize your repository with a README file. A README file is a helpful documentation file that provides information about your project. You can choose to create one now or add it later. Choose a license for your repository. A license determines how others can use, modify, and distribute your code. You can choose from several open-source licenses or choose to not include a license. Optionally, you can add a gitignore file, which specifies files and directories that should be ignored by Git, a version control system used by GitHub. You can also choose to add a code of conduct file, which outlines the expected behavior for contributors to your project. Once you have filled in the required information and made any desired selections, click on the Create Repository button to create your new GitHub repository. Congratulations! You have now successfully created a new GitHub repository. You can now clone the repository to your local machine, add files, make changes, and push your changes back to GitHub to collaborate with others or to publish your project.